Hi, Karen here from Stamping Bees. Just a quick little video hint that I'd like to share with you about lining up the sunflower and the Celebrate Sunflower and die. I recently taught this at an extravaganza, and I just wanted to share with you the way that we found that was super easy and quick to line these up. And let's see, I'm going to grab my block to pop the sunflower on. I'm just going to use a dark colour so that we can easily see it. Now, let me see. So that's I'm just going to use the large sunflower die out of this Celebrate Sunflower. And I'm just going to use Early Espresso just so it's easy for you to see. And ink that up. Make sure I close it because I'm always known to put things in my ink pad. Okay. So I'm just going to snap that there. Not perfect, but that's okay. Now, if you're looking at your sunflower, so I'm going to pop this on my up, which hopefully is your up as well. The sunflower design has, oh, look at that, bit of extra. I've got a gilded gem on my finger. Should put it on my nail. The stamp has some straight petals. So as you can see, these come off quite straight, and then on this section the petals are what I call sort of messy, so they're overlaying each other, folded backwards, etc. And at the top of this mess, so if you put the sunflower down, identify this messy section. Oh, hi Cindy, where are you? Well, here I am. This is just a wee quick impromptu one. And these three petals are sloping. Now, when I was teaching this at the extravaganza, someone said to me it looked like the Sydney Opera House, which I thought, yes, that's a fantastic analogy to use. So they're going to the right there, and they look like the Sydney Opera House. So once you've cut out what I call the skeleton as one of the tricks to line this up once you've cut it out, is you look at your skeleton and you find the same as on your stamp. You've got the straight petals, you haven't got the messy petals here, but you have got the three petals that go across to the right. None of the others do, just these three. So what you need to do is then line them up with the three on your stamp. Okay, and then you just play around with it till it lines up perfectly. But that's how you quickly find how to pop that on to your sunflower. Really quick, really easy. And the same thing is with the die. Once you've stamped it, if you just wanted to cut this out as a whole without the adding the skeleton, as I call it. Same thing, you find the three, if you look at this again, the Sydney Opera House, you've got three petals angled to the right, the rest are all straight, just those three are going off to the right. So you line it up, you find your three on your stamp above the mess, and you line it up, and then you cut it out. So it's really, really easy. I have heard that people have been struggling with finding it and marking up and down, etc. But Stampin' Up have made it really, really easy by those three, well, I think it's really easy, by the Sydney Opera House, lining it up real quick, just identifying those three petals moving over to the right. So I hope if you have this suite or this bundle, or if you are thinking about getting this bundle, that really helps you when you decide to use cuts out your pieces with the dies. Super easy, Celebrate Sunflowers. So enjoy, and as I say, I hope you got something out of this little tip. Thank you so much. Bye.